How would you like to be able to drive insane amounts of traffic from all kinds of social media without having to do any of the work yourself? If that sounds really interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of the motivational videos pack. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. It's not the man of the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that I need some new material. I get it. I tell the same stale jokes all the time, day in and day out. I even have my cat in the background sometimes, and she is not really interested anyway. She wants to go and watch some birds. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why do I do such a thing? My is very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Nobody wants the crap. You don't want it. I know you don't want it. This is just an existential crisis that you have where you pretend to want it, but you really don't. He doesn't. Nobody does. See, even my cat agrees. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, good luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she says the same thing all the time also, but she's such a sweetheart about it. Who can get angry at her? Besides, she used to be my fellow New Yorker before I moved to Western Pennsylvania. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for the motivational video pack. Now, this is from my friend Trevor Carr. Trevor is one of the biggest names in the industry, and he's showing you right here, he started off with a $5 PLR pack. Now, you are going to get full PLR rights to this pack of motivational videos. I pulled up a couple of them just to show you, because basically it's just a download. And he says he managed to turn that into over $8,000. Now, this is real money, and it's really, really easy to use these things. I'm going to show you what they are. They're basically short clips from various films and TV shows that are really going to help you to be able to motivate people on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, places like that. Now, before you start saying, Eric, yeah, okay, thanks a lot, but that's a lot of work to post everything. I totally get that. And I've got the perfect solution for you. I found a completely, totally free, doesn't cost you a penny, a completely free service that will let you automate all of that. Basically, you post it once and it goes to all of your different social medias. You can schedule everything. You can even do push notifications for free from this same website. Okay, everything is done for you. All you do is set it up once and then leave it running. Take these materials that you're gonna get, and you go and post it there. Now, I want to show you how this software works. They actually have basically what I've done is I put together a short video explaining how to use the software, but I want to show you their promotional video. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the name of the website, but I'm going to show you the promotional video, which is going to explain to you what this thing does. Check this out real quick.
You need to check your different accounts on different platforms anymore. You can add as many accounts as you want to a single dashboard and manage all of them at once. And not just that, you can create content for all of them too. Social marketing will track their journey and pull metrics for you to see how many leads and even how much revenue they are bringing. You can also schedule your posts if you don't want to send them right away. Simple, right? With the calendar view, you have an efficient view of all your scheduled posts. And what if you could get your users' attention with straightforward messages, even when they are not on your website? You can, by taking advantage of web push notifications. Push notifications are incredibly effective. Their click-through rate is much higher than emails. With live chat, you can start conversations at will and give your users the opportunity of real-time interaction. There isn't a better way of turning visitors into leads and customers into happy users.
Okay, so that's basically the software that I found. Like I said, I put together a video explaining how to use the software, how to sign up for it. It is 100% free forever. You will never have to pay for the software. Okay, basically the way they make the money is that they're hoping that you love this thing so much, they're going to try some of their other tools, which are paid, but this tool is totally free. You will literally never pay for it ever. Okay, I'm going to give you my PLR to my own video explaining how this software works. So you're going to be able to use it automatically. Now, I do want to show you a couple of samples of some of the videos that are going to be included with the motivational video pack. So here's one of them. This is obviously from the Wolf of Wall Street.
There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man. I choose rich every fucking time.
Okay, here's another one. This is Susie Orman being interviewed.
You start at 25, saving $100 a month, and you do so every single month until you are 65, and put it in a good Standard & Poor's 500 index fund. Let's say in a Roth IRA with average market returns, you'd have $1 million.
Wow.
But if you wait just 10 years, $100 a month is $1,200 a year. For 10 years, it's $12,000. Not that much money if you wait 10 years. And you start at 35, at 65, you'd have only $300,000. So those 10 years cost you $700,000 at $100 a month.
Okay, so these are just a few of the videos. You're getting 300 of these kinds of videos you're going to be able to use. Again, you're going to get full PLR rights to these videos. Now, in addition to this, the other thing I'm going to be giving you when you pick this up from me is I'm also going to be giving you access to my own source of video clips. Now, this is a little bit different, than what you're seeing here, because these videos are already pre-formatted. They've gone ahead and they've put in all the text for you so that they're easy to use. The ones I use for my own videos where I interact with Bart or with, the crazy guy who talks about light-loving crap, or with, any of the other characters, Liz Lemon, whatever, any of these other characters, these come from a particular website. So I'm going to show you this website. I'm also going to show you the legality of using these things. I am not a lawyer, so I'm not going to tell you that it is legal to use them. I'm simply going to refer you to a video where a lawyer explains the legality of using such things, and you can take that as whatever advice you want to take it as. I am not giving any legal advice, obviously. Now, if you pick this up, by the way, you can get $2 off the main price. The regular price is $12.95. You can see here, this is the sales page for it. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we see it's $12.95. But try to exit. Okay, it's not showing me down. Let me go ahead and refresh the page. And we'll try to exit. And it should pop up. Well, okay. Here we go. Just try to exit and click on yes, please. And it's going to give you a $2 off discount. So it could be $10.95 instead of $12.95 for the whole thing, everything included. So you're going to get all of this stuff included for free. You're going to get the 300 videos from them. Plus, you're going to get my guide to using this social media posting service completely for free with PLR rights. You're also going to get my guide to where to get additional video clips, the kind that I use in my own videos, and how it's based off of being free, but based off being legal. What makes it legal to use these things? Again, I'm not giving legal advice. I'm just telling you what you're getting. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip on my head to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you rock. This is awesome. I love these things. These are really, really hot stuff that I think are going to be helpful to you. Grab this, you're going to love it.